Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Colorado. And this process is super fast and easy, so click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's website, and I'm going to do like a walkthrough tutorial. So at the same time you are filing your LLC, I'll be showing you on the screen. And this whole process is only about 5 minutes. It's really fast and easy. So let's just get right into it. Again, click that link and let's get started. All right, so it's going to bring you to the 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's website, and we're going to click Colorado. And now you can type in the name of your business to make sure that it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions mobile. Okay. And then what stage are you currently in? You can just click whatever applies for you. Okay, and the industry you fall into, you can see as you type a letter, tons of options come up, so you can more than likely find something very specific to your industry. And then you click if you're selling a service, a good, or both. Okay, and are you planning to hire employees? No matter what your answer is here, let's say you change your mind later on, it's not going to affect your LLC filing. So just click whatever you are doing at the moment. And your operating place will either be, if you have like a shop or store, you can use that zip code. If you're mobile or you're selling online, you can use your home zip code for this. And then are you serving to customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So click all that apply for you. And today we're gonna get our LLC and EIN number. So just make sure they're highlighted in blue. And your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, if you get a business credit card or business bank account. So at some point down the line, and probably within this year, you'll need to have an EIN number. And then they offer all this other stuff. This is why, to be honest, that I like 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's, because it's like one-stop shop for everything business related. So if I need any of this stuff, a license, a permit, a logo, it's all right here. And I just like that it's organized. So today we just need these two. Let's hit next. This is just a survey, we could skip it. And we discovered 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's through YouTube. Okay, you guys, 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's is offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this, it's free. You know, if I can learn something that helps me make more money, amazing. If you want to skip it, you can hit no thanks. And real quick, I just want you to watch this tab up top, this blue tab. You can see how fast we're almost halfway through already, and it feels like we just started. So let's keep going. Okay, now you're going to type in your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, would you like 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's to create your EIN number for you, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you do choose to do it on your own, you can do that through the IRS website. In my opinion, just in general, government websites are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. So for me, it's completely worth it to have 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's do it for me for $99. Pretty much me just clicking this button is all that I have to do for the filing. So I just feel like it's worth it. So that will be this option here. And as far as signing a registered agent is essentially a fancy word for who's going to receive the mail in regards to your business LLC. So if you live in Colorado and you're filing your LLC in Colorado, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a different state and you're filing it in Colorado, maybe for like tax benefits, something like that, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state. But you guys, you could just click this option right here if you are in the state of Colorado, and we don't need to assign anyone else. Yes, we're sure. And every single year, no matter what state you're in, you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you'll be charged some late fees, fines, things that we just don't want to pay for, right? So if you think that you'll forget to do it, or you have a lot going on, 𝗪𝙗𝐵rand's can renew it for you every single year for $199. Good option to have. Or if you want to try to save some money like myself, you can just handle the compliance on your own. We're going to hit no on this brand new toolkit. And to get our LLC in just 2 days from now, it's only $49 extra. I like this option, but if you don't want to pay that charge, you can click this second option here. And you also don't need to worry about an operating agreement, so click no. Would you like this formation kit? It's up to you. And this is definitely a good service to consider either now or later on. So Taylor Brands offers a service to get you super organized. So let's say you're really planning to expand your business, or maybe you don't have a system set up yet. They're gonna help you get all your finances, your bookkeeping, your invoices, everything in order, which is essentially the whole business, right? I mean, knowing where all of your money is going. So they give you a free trial, definitely worth checking out. And then they give you some price plans at the end, or if you want to manage the books and invoices on your own, you could do that as well. Yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. And you guys, for today, there's no need to pay anything extra. So we're just going to get this light plan here. And now it's going to give us the breakdown of what we're paying for. So Colorado state filing fee is $50. That's just the mandated state fee. We're getting that free business coaching program, and we're paying for that 2-day expedited filing. So this would be our grand total for today. After your LLC is processed, then you would be charged for the EIN. So it's two different things that they do. They file the LLC and then the EIN. So don't be surprised when the other charge comes through. Okay, so now you're gonna enter your credit card information. After this, they're gonna ask for your address that you wanna use. Since I'm mobile, I always use my home address. I've never had issues with like spam mail, junk mail, anything like that. So I highly recommend to use your home address if you're mobile or maybe selling online, e-commerce, something like that. If you do have a storefront, feel free to use that address as well. But you guys, we're completely done. You can see how fast and easy that was. But if you do have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.